One is to transpose the lick. Transpose means you go from one chord. When you go to the next chord, the whole lick changes to fit the new chord. So if you start on G for G7, which we just did, that's the root. So I played the lick starting on G. Now transpose means when I go to C7 on the fifth measure, I'm going to start on the root of C and play the same lick, but the whole thing's transposed, okay? So that would sound like okay. So that lick is a two-measure phrase. Now, the ideas I want you to come up with, this is very important. Try to either do one measure or two measures. Okay? Those are that's all I want you to focus on, a one-measure phrase or a two-measure phrase. Two measures fine, but you want to make sure you understand that when you're playing to the blues, that every time you play the lick, you're going two measures. And where that changes, the lick has to change if it's a two-measure lick, is on the 10th, the 9th and 10th bar. Because if you look at your sheet, the alto sheet, the 9th bar is D7, and then the 10th bar is C7. So it changes in between those two measures, the chord changes. So you might have to modify the lick to fit those changes. So what I did is when I went, you see that? And you can experiment with that while you do it. Now, let me just play that with the recording.